Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable batch mentions notifications on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially after the new update. If you've been getting flooded with notifications every time someone tags multiple people at once, this quick guide will help you take control and clean up your notification feed. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it's up and running, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This brings up a menu where you'll find several options related to your account. Next, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. This expands to show more options, so select Settings from the list. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find several categories to choose from, but the one we're interested in is Notifications. Click on that to open your notification preferences. Within the Notifications settings, look for the option labeled Tags. This section manages how you get notified when someone tags you or your page. Click on Tags, and you'll see various settings regarding tagging notifications. Now, here's the key step. Find the option called Batch Mentions. Batch mentions are when multiple people are tagged simultaneously, often triggering a flood of notifications. To stop these from bothering you, simply toggle off the Batch Mentions notifications. Once disabled, Facebook will no longer alert you every time someone tags a group of people including your page, which can seriously cut down on unnecessary distractions. Best of all, you'll still receive regular tag notifications when someone tags you individually. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can customize your Facebook notification experience and keep your alerts more focused on what matters to you. Thanks for watching.